Alright, so, it's like late at night, and I'm up. I know I haven't really released like an actual tech video in a while, but hey, we're here. This is the old Technolog server. Yes, I upgraded my server to this, to that Dell Optiplex. You can't see it. This is an HP Pavilion P71235, and on its hard drive, which is right here, it has some bad sectors on it, so I replaced it. Sadly, it's a terabyte. This has a recovery partition. Now, I copied the contents of that recovery partition from that to that drive over there, which is a Hitachi Deskstar, and it doesn't boot because I need to rebuild some boot files, I think. So we're gonna do this with a Windows 7 CD. See how well it goes. Repair your computer. Damn it. Okay, so it doesn't see it. However, I think I can like hit next or something. Can I like go to a command prompt at least? Install a driver. Oh, hi, command prompt. There we go. Alright, we're good. So if I open Notepad, Alt F O, and then see if the drive's mounted, we have it. There's our recovery drive. And then the other part of the drive is the unallocated. I need to fix that sometime. However, there's our recovery partition. We're going to see if we can get that running. Alright, so it is literally 3:34 in the morning. I have tried to get so many restore methods just to restore this one .wim image to the hard drive, and I think it's doing it with this Heron's boot CD thing right here. This is WinNT setup version 3.9.0. Hopefully this will work because this is extremely freaking complicated. I probably will leave this running all night because I'm just way too tired to do anything. Okay, so it is, I don't even know what time it is. Alright, so it has been restored, hopefully, so we're going to reboot. Ooh. Update, it's actually freaking booting. This is crazy. Whoa. Setup is, wow. I think we did it. Holy frick. This thing's back to normal again. Whoop. Setup will continue after restarting your computer. That's nice. Setup is preparing your computer for first use. Oh! Dude! Sysprep is working. Don't know what that is. However, we have everything right there. Oh. Wait, what? That was just for system prep, apparently. I either don't remember this or I wasn't here for this back in 2012. Setup is preparing your computer for first use. Okay, there it goes again. I still need to get a new front panel for this. The light's all messed up. Oh my god. Yay. Oh my goodness. Should be good. The background, dude. I have not seen this background since we got the computer. That's how crazy it's been. So, I'm going to say this was successful. Even though we tried so much stuff, we got it restored. And this is now Windows 7 Home Premium computer again. So, I will see you all in the next one.